All right, we're on the other side of the vet school, which is the veterinary science building, and look at this. And we got this unique elevator to show you. This used to be a motion elevator from 1955, but then it was modded by ThyssenKrupp in 2000. Look at this. Look at this one.
Okay.
This was modded, but you'll see the real treat here.
Mm-hmm. Are we even moving?
Yeah, this thing's slow. It travels like 75 feet per minute.
Wow. That is very slow.
Opens right there. It's a manual door. Look at this.
Oh. Wow. I don't like that. Okay.
Yeah, well, we're not going to get off. I'll just show you. See? And that right there, you see the machinery right there.
I see it.
You see the pump right there?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna not let this slam. And what if y'all set it up? What if y'all set it up to 3?
Okay, I'll send it up.
Going up.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
Haha. Look at that.
From Finding Nemo.
That is just lovely.
Oh, that's cool. You can see us go.
Yeah, you see the stone right there?
Oh, we just hit one.
Oh, you did? No, I don't think you did.
No, like we hit floor 1. We're at floor 1. I mean.
Oh, okay. Oh, what do you think of this elevator? Look at the tray lines. It looks very 50s looking.
It is. It's very old-timey, which isn't necessarily bad.
Yeah.
We are. Look, can you show them how slow we're moving?
It's very, very slow.
Very slow. Ah, we made it.
All right, who wants to send it down to the first floor?
I can do that. That scared me and I don't know why.
That door sounds kind of haunted.
It does. I'm not gonna lie to you, it does. This one was creepy. Yeah.
Yeah, this is manual and that is automatic.
It's so strange. It is. I've never been in an elevator with a manual door.
Yeah, there are fixtures. Well, the manual one is the freight elevator at Harrington.
Okay, I'm excited to hopefully be able to find it.
Here's your ADA phone. Impulse fixtures. Dover. This is actually, this gotta be ThyssenKrupp because this fixture looks a lot newer according to the records. It was modded in 2000.
Okay. Go back.
Sorry me to get you on camera. Let's watch it close.
Sorry.
There it goes.
Perfect.
And that's it.
Awesome.